Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So as you know, last year I have uploaded a video where I've shown you that how you can create Gmail without phone verification. There was 3 methods, but it's been too late and it's an old video. That's why I thought that I should share a new video with you guys. So hope you are gonna like this video, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium and you can subscribe our YouTube channel Premium to get daily updates. We are gonna see two different methods here. First, here we are going to use the YouTube app or what installed in our phone. Now when you need to update your YouTube app first, and then go to your YouTube app, and from there you need to add a new account, and you can create here like this. Okay, here you can see after we update our details and password, and then we need to click on next, and here we're gonna see that here's a skip option there in the left corner, which we can just press and go for the next step, where we have to agree their terms and condition, and then boom, we got our Gmail without giving any phone verification code. So we can do it again, and let's see can we get another account. But before that, let's see it's really work or not. You can see the email I have connected in our YouTube, and we can comment any of our videos. So suppose let's try to give a comment in my video as well. Okay, and you can see that I am successfully able to make a comment in my YouTube video. So it's really working from now. You can use any other device to sign in your Gmail, and now here you can see our comment. And okay, let's try to make another Gmail using the same method, and you can see here I am not stopping the record or escaping the record. I am showing you the current time here that I am getting the Gmail again with the same method. You can see here the time, and I am using the same exact method to make the Gmail. Okay, so hope it's also work for you. Okay, but remember something that I am telling you right now. When you do this type of task, make sure you use it not for excessive. Okay, make 3 to 2 mail per day, or you can give a break after 3 days. You can make another 3 Gmail. Okay, and as we can see that we got our another account, and we can use it for many different purposes. Okay, now here we can jump over to our next method, where we are going to use our desktop. Okay, but before that, make sure that your desktop is absolutely clean, and you should use Silk Cleaner if you have some IP problem, and then you need to start with a fresh browser. Okay, and you can use your browser in incognito mode, and you can see there it's working for us. Okay. You should have fresh IP and clean your browser before you do this task, and this way you will get your Gmail, and it's the new setting you can apply to get your account secure and safety. Okay, this way you will get 2 to 3 account per day or per week you can make. Okay, that's all. I hope you're gonna like this video, and thanks for watching. I hope you also share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos like this. Okay, have a great day.